Ladies, the only way to get a booty like this is by building and lifting your booty muscles. And that means you have to do squats. But for most women, doing squats the right way is practically impossible. Well, not anymore. Introducing the 2-Minute Booty, the revolutionary booty sculpting bar that takes the guesswork out of doing squats the right way. With a patented 2-minute booty design, just step into the resistance straps and lean against a doorway. Then all you do is sit down and stand up. And in just 2 minutes a day, you'll perfectly sculpt the outer, inner, and lower butt muscles that lift your booty to create tight, gorgeous curves.
You can literally roll out of bed, throw on your gym shorts, lean up against a doorway, and bam, within a few minutes, you've done your work for the day.
The process is super easy. You just kind of lean back, you sit down like you're sitting on a chair, and you're doing a perfect squat, something that I couldn't do before I started this.
And now you can try your very own 2-Minute Booty for 30 days for only $9.95. The 2-Minute Booty is guaranteed to give you a perfect booty in just 2 minutes a day. And with this special $9.95 offer, now is the perfect time to try it. But wait, to tighten and tone your booty even more, we'll also send you our 2-Minute Booty Slimming Cream, a $40 value free. This breakthrough formula is clinically tested to melt away excess fat, smooth your skin, and reduce the appearance of cellulite. Just look. The ultrasound imaging confirms that simply using the 2-Minute Booty Slimming Cream for 28 days shrinks the fat around your legs and booty. All you do is rub it on and you'll get a tight, toned, smooth booty you can't wait to show off. It's that easy. Get the booty you've always wanted with a complete 2-Minute Booty Slimming System by calling right now or visiting 2minutebooty.com today. That's 2minutebooty.com.